Imagine this. It's the end of the month and you're staring at your bank account, wondering, where did all my money go? You didn't splurge on anything huge, maybe a few coffees, a dinner out, a couple of online orders, but somehow your paycheck has vanished again. Sound familiar? The truth is, most people don't have an income problem. They have a money management problem. What if I told you that in just 3 simple steps, you could finally take control of your cash, stop living paycheck to paycheck, and start building real financial freedom? Stick with me for the next few minutes. I'll show you exactly how to do that. No fancy spreadsheets, no complicated financial jargon. Just simple, smart habits that actually work. Hey everyone, welcome to Second Act Finance, where we make money simple, practical, and personal. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or trying to get a better grip on your spending, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down Money Management Simplified, 3 steps to control your cash. You'll learn how to track where your money really goes, how to build a plan that fits your life, and how to automate your finances so your money practically manages itself. By the end, you'll have a clear, no-stress system to stay in control and finally make your money work for you, not the other way around. Imagine this. It's the end of the month, and you're staring at your bank account, wondering, where did all my money go? You didn't splurge on anything huge. A few coffees, a dinner out, maybe a couple of online orders. Yet somehow, your paycheck has vanished again. Sound familiar? The truth is, most people don't have an income problem. They have a money management problem. What if I told you that with just 3 simple steps, you could take control of your cash, stop stressing about bills, and start actually building wealth? Stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to break money management down into clear, doable steps that anyone can follow, even if you've never budgeted before. No finance jargon, no boring charts, just real strategies that work in real life. This is your starting point to take back control of your money once and for all. Hey everyone, welcome to Second Act Finance, where we make money simple, practical, and personal. Whether you're a student just learning how to budget, or someone working full-time but still feeling broke by the end of the month, this channel is for you. Today's topic, Money Management Simplified. 3 steps to control your cash, is all about creating a simple system that fits your life. You don't need to be a math genius or an investment pro. You just need a plan that's easy to stick to. We'll go through 3 steps. First, tracking your money to see where it's going. Second, planning your budget so you decide how to spend. And third, automating your finances so your money practically manages itself. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do each month to stay in control and feel confident about your money. So grab a notebook, maybe your favorite drink, and let's jump into step 1. Before you can manage your money, you have to understand it, and that starts with tracking. Think of it like diagnosing a problem before prescribing a solution. For 1 month, write down every expense, big or small: rent, groceries, Netflix, snacks, everything. You can use an app like Mint or just your phone's notes app. The goal isn't to judge yourself. It's to see the truth about your habits. Most people are shocked when they realize how much they spend on small, daily things. Once you've tracked everything, group your spending into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings or debt payments. This will help you see patterns. Maybe you're overspending on eating out or undersaving each month. Knowledge is power here. Once you see where your money actually goes, you'll know exactly what needs to change. It's like turning on the lights in a dark room. Suddenly, everything makes sense.
Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to give it direction. That's what budgeting really is. A plan for your money, instead of letting your money plan you. Start simple with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. You can adjust the percentages based on your situation, but the point is to create limits that feel realistic. Budgets aren't about restriction, they're about permission. You are not saying no to things. You'll be saying yes to what truly matters. Try using a digital tool like Google Sheets or an app such as WinApp or EveryDollar. Review your plan weekly to stay on track. Remember, a good budget isn't perfect. It's flexible. If something unexpected happens, shift things around, but stay mindful. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. A working budget gives you clarity and confidence every single month. Once your budget is set, the easiest way to stay consistent is automation. This is the secret that turns good habits into effortless ones. Set up automatic transfers to savings right after payday, before you even see the money. Do the same for bills, debt payments, and investments if possible. Automation removes temptation and forgetfulness. You are less likely to spend money impulsively when it has already gone to your savings or bills. Think of it as paying yourself first. Even $50 a month, automatically saved, adds up fast. Use your bank's auto transfer features or financial apps to organize your accounts. Set reminders to check once a week just to stay aware. Over time, automation turns managing money into something that happens quietly in the background, giving you more time and peace of mind to focus on living your life instead of stressing about finances. As you start managing your money, watch out for a few traps. The first is trying to fix everything at once. That leads to burnout. Focus on small, steady progress. The second mistake is ignoring small expenses. Coffee, snacks, subscriptions, they add up fast. Review them regularly. The third is failing to adjust. Life changes. Rent increases, income shifts, goals evolve. Update your budget every few months. Finally, don't compare your financial progress to others. Everyone's journey is different. Your goals might be saving for travel, paying off debt, or just feeling less anxious about bills. All are valid. The key is consistency, not perfection. The sooner you catch and correct small missteps, the faster your money habits will improve. Think of money management as learning a new skill. It takes time, but every bit of effort pays off in confidence and control. Money management isn't a one-time project. It's a lifestyle. The habits you build now shape your financial future. Set a short weekly check-in, maybe Sunday evenings, to review your spending and make small adjustments. Celebrate little wins, like saving an extra $20 or sticking to your grocery budget. Track progress visually with charts or apps so you stay motivated. You can even reward yourself occasionally for reaching savings goals. Responsibly, of course. Also, keep learning. Read books, watch videos, and talk to people who manage money well. The more comfortable you get, the more natural it feels. Over time, your confidence will grow, and what once felt hard will become automatic. Remember, this is your second act, a chance to rewrite your money story and take full control of your financial future. One smart habit at a time, you're building a life of stability and freedom. So let's recap. First, track your money to see where it's really going. Second, plan your budget to give your cash direction. And third, automate your system so it practically runs itself. That's the formula. Simple, effective, and doable. Money management doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. You just need awareness, intention, and consistency. Once you master these 3 steps, you'll stop wondering where your money went and start telling it where to go. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Second Act Finance for more simple strategies to build confidence with your money. Share this video with a friend who needs a little help managing their cash. And remember, managing your money isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. You're not just controlling your cash, you're designing your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And that's it. 3 simple steps to finally take control of your money. Track it, plan it, and automate it. Managing your money doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. When you build these habits, you stop wondering where your cash went and start telling it exactly where to go. Remember, financial freedom isn't about how much you make. It's about how you manage what you have. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Second Act Finance for more simple, practical ways to make your money work for you. And if you know someone who's always broke by the end of the month, share this video. It might just change the way they see their finances. Thanks so much for watching. Keep learning, stay consistent, and remember, this is your second act. It's never too late to take control of your cash and build the life you deserve. See you in the next one.